Good morning mga chong. Share ko lang pala. Yung pag-reset pala ng maintenance maturity ni NK is different from the SR. So, same procedure. Punta lang kayo ng information, then service. Now, usually kay SR kasi up and enter. Now, for NK, hold nyo lang si enter button. So, around 10 seconds yan. Tapos siya magpa-pop. So, yun nga, I tried the SR way. Hindi siya gumagana before. Then, one of the members of our group,